Energy units. To fully understand energy, it is important to understand how it is measured. We often hear terms for energy measurement thrown around, but few of us actually grasp what they mean. We're here to help you understand the basics. Energy is the capacity to do work and is equal to force times distance. In other words, it is the force exerted or required over a distance. Work is measured in joules, and therefore, this is one of the main units for measuring energy. A joule is a metric unit equal to a Newton meter, or the amount of work done when a force of 1 Newton is moved by 1 meter. Work may also be measured in British thermal units, or BTUs, and calories, depending on preference and application. A BTU is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 pound of liquid water by 1 degree Fahrenheit at normal atmospheric pressure. A calorie is the amount of energy needed to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius at normal atmospheric pressure. Another measure of energy that you may have heard is a BOE, or barrel of oil equivalent. This is the energy contained in 1 barrel of oil. Power and energy are not the same thing, although the terms are sometimes used interchangeably. Power is the rate at which energy is consumed or produced and is equal to energy over time. In the metric system, power is measured in watts, which is equal to 1 joule per second. Horsepower is also a measure of power and is equal to 745.7 watts. A watt-hour is the energy consumed by a 1-watt device operating for 1 hour. Watt-hours represent a quantity of energy. This is the unit we see on our power bill. To make this a little simpler, let's use an analogy. Picture that power is represented by a bathtub that is filling. Power is a rate, so it is the amount of water filling the bathtub per second. Watt-hours are a quantity of energy, so they would be equal to the amount of water in the bathtub after a certain amount of time. To put this in the context of an energy system, when you hear someone mention a 300 megawatt facility, they are saying that it produces power at a rate of 300 million watts per second. On your power bill, when you see 800 kilowatt hours, it is saying that you consumed the amount of energy equivalent to 800,000 watts for 1 hour. We hope this has given you a basic understanding of the difference between energy and power and how they are measured. That's energy units.